Align the center of the upper frame pad at the hip. Wrap the adjustable belt around your waist by laying down the left-hand belt arm first, followed by the right. Use the pockets to get an appropriate snug fit. Slide thumbs through the holes in the two compression system handles and pull until the belt is at the appropriate tightness. Secure the thigh strap into the keyhole receiver on the distal thigh plate. Device removal. Detach compression system handles slowly from the belt to loosen and reattach them to the sides of the adjustable belt. Detach the thigh strap. Detach the overlap closures and remove the device. Note: to ensure a proper fit, ensure the belt compression system is stretched to its full width before reapplying the device.